throttle. Roll on the gas, give a little more, okay?
Okay.
Cool. All right. I just want you to put her in gear right now. So just push down on that button and pull it back, okay?
All the way?
All the way. You're in gear. So now we're going to start to roll forward and go right behind that white Lamborghini, okay?
Okay. We good to go?
You're good to go. Yes, sir. There you go. Yeah, it's a really sensitive throttle.
It is.
So that's why it's so important that when I tell you to ease off the brake and release and roll onto it, I'm going to tell you to roll on the gas. Which means give a little bit of gas. Roll, give a little more. Roll, give a little more. It's all about smoothness with these exotic cars. Smooth equals fast, okay?
Yeah, the brake's pretty, and not just that little bit.
Yeah, they're
Really
so
grabs.
heavy. So, but like I said, I'd rather you brake with a little extra force, because if we end up in a panic braking situation, there isn't a lot of runoff on this track.
Okay.
So there's more consequence here. So that's
Sure.
why it's better to just brake early. We even teach all our race car drivers. I teach pros. I always tell them, when you're learning a new track, just brake a little more than you think, because you can always adjust from there and find the limit, the threshold. But if you're braking too late, you can never figure it out. It's always going to be a guessing game, you know?
True.
So, other than that, what do you do, Paul?
I'm a retired merchant mariner.
Cool, wow. That's awesome. Well, good for you.
Actually, I just got a job driving buses for school kids.
Nice, good for you.
So I'll be doing that in September.
Well, you're driving one of the best cars right now, so that's going to be pretty good training, right?
Absolutely, this is a dream car.
There you go. All right, well, we're going to roll out onto the tracks. Just start to roll forward. We're starting at the back of the pack, so I'm going to create a nice big gap to the cars in front, and that way you can enjoy your experience with almost nobody around us, okay?
Sounds good to me.
If we need to pass someone, I'll let you know when it's safe to do so, and if one of the professional instructors who's doing the lead car catches us, I'll let you know where it's safe to let them pass, okay?
Okay.
But this is a good gap right here. Just maintain this gap and we're good to go, okay?
Sounds good.
Take a nice deep breath, Paul. You're about to drive a GT3 RS on a racetrack, all right? Cool, so just follow this yellow line and keep those eyes up for the green and orange cones. We're just playing a game of connect the dots out here, okay? Green cone to the next green cone. Green cone on the left to orange cone on the left. Stay on the left, lift, and turn in. Green cone on the right to green cone on the left. Good job. And remember, we're going to try to stay 3 feet off the edge of the track, okay? Roll back on that throttle a little bit. Orange on the left. Lift, turn into the orange cone on the right. Brake, brake, brake. Good job. Stand, release the brake. Yeah, there you go. That's how, now you know how sensitive those brakes are. Aim for the orange cone on the left. Carry the speed. Don't lift. Just turn. Good job. Roll on the throttle. Roll on the throttle, and you can give it some gas right now. Aim for the orange cones on the right. Lift and brake, brake, brake. Nice job. Orange on the right. Release the brake and turn into the green cone on the left. How you feeling?
That was awesome.
All right. Well, we're about to hit the first straightaway. All right. You ready?
Yep.
Good. Carry the speed through here, okay? Just roll on the throttle. Roll on the throttle a little more. Roll a little more. And you can go, go, go. Hard. Nice job. Orange cone, a little more brakes, a little more. Release the brake now and turn in. Good job. How'd that feel? That was pretty awesome, huh?
I wasn't sure if I would have the guts to do it.
Lift, turn into the green cone on the right. Green on the right to green on the left. Good job. You're doing great. You're really nice and smooth, okay? Roll on the throttle, roll on the throttle. Orange on the left. Lift, turn in. Brake, brake, brake. Stay right, stay right. Release the brakes and turn into the green cone on the left. Nice job. Roll back on that throttle, okay? Carry the speed, all right? Just lift, turn in, roll back on the throttle. Roll, and go, go, go. All right, lift. Brake, brake, brake. Nice job on the brakes. Stay right, stay right. Release the brake and turn into the green cone on the left. All right, we're doing our last straightaway. You ready? Start to roll on the throttle a little more. Roll a little more. Roll a little more. And go, go, go. release, and turn in. That was awesome.
That was.
Green on the left, orange on the left. Lift, turn in, good job. Green on the right to green on the left. Great work. Start to roll on the throttle a little more, roll. Orange go to the left, lift, turn into the right side. Brake, brake, brake. Stay right, release that brake, turn in. Nice work. Roll on the throttle, roll on the throttle. Carry the speed now, okay? Just turn. Good job. Roll, roll, and go, go, go. Brake, brake, brake. Nice job. Stay right. Release the brake and turn into the green cone on the left. Nice job. All right, and we're going to follow the Corvette right into the pits, okay?
Okay. Holy cow.
Paul, you crushed it out there, man. Job well done, all right? Seriously, great work.
That was awesome.
You didn't set a foot wrong out there. You did everything perfect. Job well done.
I
Get a
didn't
big
wanna
thumbs
screw
up from me, okay?
All right, thank you.